Hi everyone. So today I wanted to make a short video about how to remember the truth tables for AND, OR, NAND and NOR gates. Now what do I have here? I have our gates and I have their truth tables. As we know, the equation for the output of AND gate is A times B. So what we have to do, we have to for AND gate, we have to multiply our inputs to get the output. Now, if we multiply 0 by 0, the result is 0. If we multiply 0 by 1, the result is still 0. The same as when we multiply 1 by 0. But when we multiply 1 by 1, we have our result 1. And as we can see, it's the same what we see in the truth table. Now for OR gate, it's very similar. As we know, the formula for the output for OR gate is A plus B. So let's count together our inputs. If both of our inputs are zeros, then the output will be 0. If we add 1 to a 0, the output is 1. If we add 0 to 1, the output also is 1. But a little bit confusing could be the last case when we add 1 plus 1. But actually the only thing what we have to remember that in digital electronics, in Boolean algebra, we have only zeros and ones, so the highest value that we can get is 1. So in this case 1 plus 1 will be 1. Now how to remember the truth table for NAND and NOR gates. Here we have our truth tables for AND, OR, NAND and NOR gates. And if we look at the outputs of AND and NAND gate, we can see that for AND gate, at those places where we have zeros, we have ones for NAND gate, and where we have 1 for AND gate, we have 0 for NAND gate. The same applies to OR gate and NOR gate. As we can see, where we have zeros at the output for OR gate, we have 1 for NOR gate, and where we have ones for OR gate, we have zeros for NOR gate. Now this has a very simple explanation, and also how to remember the truth tables for NAND and NOR gate. Now the only thing that we have to remember that NAND gate is actually an AND gate followed by an inverter, and the same applies to NOR gate. So NOR gate is OR gate followed by an inverter. So if we know the truth table, if we remember the truth table for AND and OR gate, it is very simple to figure out and remember the truth table also for NAND and NOR gate. So that's it for today. I hope you found this information useful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.